In this video, I am going to guide you on how to delete a payment method on the Moovn app. By doing this, you can easily manage your saved payment options and remove any outdated or unused cards. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Moovn app on your smartphone. 2. Log in using your registered account credentials. 3. Tap on the menu icon usually found in the top left or top right corner. 4. Select the payment methods option from the menu. 5. You will see a list of your saved payment methods. 6. Tap on the payment method you want to delete. 7. Look for the delete or remove option and tap on it. 8. Confirm your choice to successfully delete the payment method. This helps keep your account secure and avoids unwanted charges. Make sure to add another method if you plan to use the app again.